In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and download your purchase course content through your Whop account. Whether you're a first-time user or just need a quick refresher, we'll walk through each step, ensuring you can navigate the platform with ease and confidence. To start, the first crucial step is to log in to your Whop account. Now, I know this might seem straightforward to many of you, but it's always good to start with the basics. Make sure you're on a device connected to the internet. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Whop website. Once there, click on the login option, which is usually found at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your credentials carefully to avoid any login errors. A friendly reminder here, keep your username and password confidential to protect your account security. Once logged in, you are taken to your dashboard, which acts as your main hub on Whop. With that step complete, let's move on to finding your purchased content. On your dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Learn tab. This tab is your gateway to all the courses you've signed up for. Spend a moment to locate it and click on it to proceed. Within this section, a list of all your enrolled courses will appear. Take your time to look through them and select the course you wish to download. Clicking on this course will take you straight into the course materials, where we'll carry out the next actions. Now you're in the course area and it's time to check for any downloadable content. This is key because it determines what you can have on your device for offline access. As you explore the course, if downloadable files are available, you should see a download button right next to the file name. It's typically quite prominent, ensuring you don't miss it. Remember, if you don't see the download button, there's no need to worry just yet. Certain courses may have downloads disabled by the course creator, which is noted up front to manage your expectations accordingly. Assuming the course does offer downloads, the next step is getting those files onto your device. All you need to do is click that download button. Once clicked, the download should commence right away, saving the file to your default downloads folder unless you've set your device to ask for a specific location each time. Make sure to keep track of where that file is saved for easy access later on. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the Whop platform, selected your course, and downloaded your needed materials. If the download option wasn't available, it's possible the course creator decided to keep the files online only. Keep that in mind as you explore additional resources. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in optimizing your learning experience.